Okay, so if you guys are taking your notes, go ahead and copy this number down. 175.45927. And this is the ones, this is the tens, and this is the hundreds. Okay? And then it's going to have a TH at the end over here. So this one's going to be a tenth, the hundredths, with a TH at the end, the thousandths. Okay, I'm not going to continue, but you guys get the point, yes? Okay, so here's your decimal, then you have your tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. So if I ask you to round to the nearest hundredths, you're looking at this spot right here. You look at the number after it, you have 9 fingers, can you give me a high five? You have 9 fingers, can you give me a high five? Yes? Yes. So this number goes up, your new number becomes 175.46. Alright? So basically whatever number you're looking for, in our case we're looking for the hundredths, you look at the number after it, if you can give me a high five, the number goes up. If you can't give me a high five, if you don't have enough fingers, the number stays the same. Okay, so for example, if we're trying to round to the nearest thousandths, look at the number right after it, 2. Can you give me a high five? No, so this number stays the same. So your number is going to be 175.459. That 9 is not going to change. The number after it cannot give me a high five. Any questions on this?